the Vlogmas day. Okay, number 12. Where are you? You're up here. Why am I opening this so good? Because all the other doors that I've opened, well, the ones that are not on the vlog, like, I've been struggling to open them, and this is with one hand. It's weird. Come on. It's a snowman person. Okay, so just got ready. Kara's vlogging today, and you will see that soon. I don't know when. Maybe I think it's one. It'll be on the one before this. I'm thinking. Maybe it's already on. I think it's the one before this. It should be on before this one. So check it out. Just got a haircut. To Mummy and Daddy, I hope you have a good
James is just wrapping the cards that we made. Well, I made actually. We've got some ribbon to tie around it. Ribbon. It's clear, so you can see clear.
Can you close the door? Let's go and give it to him. Yeah. Happy anniversary! Thank you for reading our beautiful card. Changing the time of the year to please have mercy. Now it's time to edit. Oh, lovely times. I was like, is this my phone number? Because I had to get a new phone number. So I have my SIM card in Saudi. Now I have to have a new phone number. I forgot what it is, so...
And the whole year to start with.
Yeah.
That must be the
Oh. Oops.
Inside a balloon.
Yeah. That was scary.
Because it makes from one noise to another 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 noise to another.
We thought it was going to explode. We're like, oh, that was scary.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think they need a new washing machine because it's all leaked now, like underneath it. Okay, I just finished editing that vlog and now we're just heading into Stirling. I don't actually know what we're doing there. Not too sure. I don't know why we're going. We'll find out soon. So if you're wondering why Cara is doing the vlog, it's just a bit extra. She wants to do it and I'm letting her do it, and it's just a bit extra. If you never checked it out, it'll be in the link in the description of this video. So if you want to check it out now. Give it a like. It'll help her. It'll help me. It'll help everyone. Turn it up, like. We're here. We're here. Guess where we are. Guess where we are. Where do you think we are? We're shopping. First is Top Shop, and then I don't know where next. Where are we?
We're at Max and Spencer's Footbit.
Yeah. What did you think?
Bird.
She thought this was a bird
I
nest.
don't think it's a bird nest.
Almost our last stop we're in. What do you think? Toys R Us. We're going home now. We're going home. And it's so cold in here. It is so cold. We've just been playing on our iPads for a bit now. I'm going to go and get dinner.
I'm so hungry. I got my potato.
Dinner is fini. Fini.
So,
Fini.
I didn't able to.
Because it's only got 5 gigabytes.
Then I didn't.
So that's why.
Then it's run out of storage. So the screen was working.
So while I've been in Scotland, like I've been making a compound, and like so it's kind of like ours. I'm trying to make it look like. So yeah, it's like this part, and I've designed all like the house. This is all going to be houses. So it's up here, and this is the park part, and then there's going to be more houses over here, and more houses. Like it's going to be quite cool. And this is I'm starting to build the first one right now. I completely forgot I had this cup. I just remembered just like 2 minutes ago. And down you go. We're both looking at these books. No. We're both looking at these to see. Just look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
James has got it.
I got it.
Oh, you've got it.
I've got double. No, I'm not.
Right, you have to play now. Do you know how to play this, Jen?
Yeah. Got it. No.
Eh? You're cheating, James.
Oh wait, I thought that was 4.
Oh, I think James is a winner because I've got 4. He's got 3. And you've got 1, 3, 7, 11. Yeah. I think the way Papa does it, I don't know if you do that. The next person plays first. 4, 6.
Okay, so I'm going to end the vlog here. Hopefully you enjoyed today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow. And I'm behind schedule, so I need to try and keep up with my schedule. And it's hard to keep up with the schedule. I thought I was going to catch up with it, but I couldn't catch up because the uploading speed must not be very good. Because it takes like ages to upload. It took today I started at about 12. It went up, and then that was about 6 o'clock, so 6 hours, and it was only like a 5-minute vlog. It only takes about an hour if I was in Saudi, so I thought I would have been able to catch up though, but obviously not. So I was thinking of uploading one during the night tonight, but I just couldn't be bothered tonight because we're having some games tonight. Like as you see, we're playing dominoes, we're playing this other game, and me and Kara are just playing Minecraft, so we're just kind of having a night in tonight. Tomorrow, don't know what we're doing yet, but yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll need to get up a schedule. Oh no, I need to get up a schedule. Okay, see you. Bye. Hopefully enjoy Vlogmas so far, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.